Hey guys, it's Aussie Steve here from Home Buyer Louisiana. We buy houses in any condition in Louisiana. I'm here at a property we purchased. We closed on 2 days ago actually. So this is a sixplex. We're on the west bank of Orleans Parish, so in Old Algiers here. So this is an interesting one actually. My property manager actually owned this property in partnership with someone else, and he was looking to wind up that partnership and wanted to sell it. So look, we agreed to purchase it all cash in as-is condition. We closed on it in 10 days. He wanted to get out of it, so we moved really fast, closed on it, and it's a sixplex in Algiers. It's in as-is condition. It's not too bad. It's not too bad, but inside there's a few things to fix and a little bit of deferred maintenance, but it's not in too bad a condition. But yeah, look, our managers, we just wanted to get out of it, and look, we love rentals, and this is a good rental. Our property manager was already managing it, so made a pretty easy transition, so he's still managing it, but now we own the property, and he's out of that partnership. So look, we do buy multi-families like this. We also buy single families. So look, if you've got a property you want to sell, we're definitely interested in buying it. When we buy from you, we're really easy to deal with. We're all cash. You don't need to wait around for bank approvals, inspections, appraisals, all that stuff. We move fast, so you can sell your house fast. We buy in as-is condition, so we don't mind if there's repairs to make. This one isn't too bad. This is more speed, which is what the seller wanted, and just easy. He knew me, so he knew it was an easy sale. Otherwise though, like if your house needs a lot of repairs, that's fine. Like we make repairs. We understand it's hard to sell when you need repairs, but as an investor, we're not looking to move in. So we're not looking at the house going, hey, this is beautiful, I'm gonna live there. We're looking at saying, hey, we see what it could be, we see the potential. So we're fine to get in, make repairs, fix it up, get it ready for either a new tenant or we'll sell it, we'll flip it to a new owner. So look, reach out to us. You can check out all information on frequently asked questions on our site, homebuyerlouisiana.com. Thanks guys, have a great day.